Hey, welcome everybody to this shortwave radio channel. And we're going to talk about gooey stuff. It's Halloween after all, soon. So basically, you guys that have been following me for a while know that some of my radios, and some of you have these same radios, there's radios that have some kind of a rubberized finish over the plastic. And it's very nice when you actually have the radio and the first few months, but if you use the radio a lot, you notice that it turns into a very disgusting gooey finish that is actually even like really, really not cool to even touch the radio. So look at my Grundig G5, how it's actually better now. And it's not finished because I'm going to rub a little more. There's still a little bit of gooey stuff left here and on the bottom and a little bit in the back, but look how much better it looks now. Same for this Ethon receiver. This Mini 300 World Band receiver was also in a very gooey finish, and look how kind of nice it looks now, all shiny and beautiful. So what did I use to clean these, and how does it work? How well does it work? It works well, but you will need a little bit of patience, a little bit of rubbing, and I've used a cloth like this to actually clean the radio. So what I used was 70% rubbing alcohol. It's so simple as that. I bought this at the dollar store because I was going there for a few things. When I saw it, I thought, oh, I've seen somewhere that this actually works for the rubbery finish. And I thought, well, we're going to try it. After all, I have a shortwave radio channel where we can talk about this and help others. So I've used this. And so what I do is this one is a kind of a mist or spray type. You can buy just a bottle and put it on the cloth. Just make sure that it doesn't go inside the electronics and stays outside. I actually used a piece of tape that I put over some of the holes for the venting, for example, so that alcohol doesn't go in. And slowly but surely, you rub it out. And the more it is within the clot and with alcohol in it, the easier it gets. And after half an hour of rubbing around and playing around, you'll see that your radios actually get really clean, really nice. What is also very nice is that it removes that gooey finish. So the radio itself is more plasticky after you've done that, rather than being that like rubberized finish as before. But at least that good side that is going to happen here is that since it's not rubbery anymore and it's more of plastic, it means that the gooey won't come back because you removed that layer that actually made it disgusting. So just make sure you don't spill any inside, the speaker compartment or the holes where maybe there could be some holes in the back of the radio where usually they're there to try to, in case the radio gets hot, which rarely happens on portables. But just make sure that you cover those with a piece of tape if you want. And don't spray on the radio itself. Put the alcohol on the cloth and, clean up the radio. And you'll see that you'll be successful in getting a much more interesting finish to the receiver after you've done that. So once again, it's 70% rubbing alcohol. So here it is, and works really well, actually. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.